Hello student, good morning. I am Dr. Ajay Kumar Sinha, Professor of Chemistry. Today I will continue from the last class. Last class I was discussing numericals based on mole concept. These numericals are little tough. Now I will continue from the question number 257. Up to 256 I have discussed. All questions are specialized for A.I.M.S, IITJEE and NEET examination. You keep pen and paper with you so that you can solve it easily. Now I am reading the question number 257. 4 gram of caustic soda, molecular mass 40, contains the same number of sodium ions as are present in first option 10.6 gram of Na2CO3, molecular mass 106. Second option 58.5 gram of NaCl, formula mass 58.5. Third option 100 ml of 0.5 Na2SO4, formula mass 142. And option 4 1 gram equivalent of sodium nitrate, molecular mass 85. Again, one more time I am reading the question. 4 gram of caustic soda, molecular mass 40, contains same number of sodium ions as are present in first option 10.6 gram of sodium carbonate, molecular mass is given 106. Second option 58.5 gram of NaCl, formula mass 58.5. Third option 100 ml of 0.5 m sodium carbonate, formula mass 142. And fourth option 1 gram equivalent of NaNO3, molecular mass 85. You have to select any one option. Just you think how you will solve. This question, how will you solve? Now I am giving you hint. Without solving, you can't tell the which is correct option. Okay, now I am giving you hint. 4 gram of NOH means how much mole? Then it will be 0.1 mole NOH. 4 gram, 40 gram means 1 mole. Then 4 gram means 0.1 mole NOH. It means 0.1 mole NOH means 0.1 mole sodium ion. Correct? Now you have to compare with other given options. First option 10.6 gram sodium carbonate. First option is 10.6 gram sodium carbonate. How many sodium ions are there? You have to calculate. Then 10.6 means 0.1 mole sodium carbonate. 106 is the molecular mass. It is given. Then 10.6 means 0.1 mole sodium carbonate. Then Na2CO3 means in one molecule two sodium ions are there, Na2. Correct? It means now here it is 0.2 mole sodium ion. 0.2 mole sodium ion. Now, second option you calculate 58.5 gram NaCl. 58.5 gram NaCl. It means 58.5 gram NaCl means 1 mole. 1 mole. Correct? This 58.5 gram NaCl means 1 mole. Then 1 mole means 1 mole sodium ion is there. Just like no, they all are differing. You have actually 0.1 4 gram NaOH means 0.1 mole sodium ion. You have to compare which is matching with this 0.1 mole NaOH. Then now here you can see 58.5 gram NaCl means 1 mole NaCl means 1 mole sodium ion. Then it is not matching. First is also not matching. Second option is also not matching. Now third you compare 100 ml of 0.5 mole sodium sulfate. 100 ml of 0.5 mole sodium sulfate. Then here this things 0.5 mole per liter or 1000 ml you can tell. What is its meaning? Then in 1 liter 0.5 mole. Then in 1 liter means 1000 ml. In 1000 ml 0.5 mole. Then in 100 how much? 0.05. In 1000 ml 0.5 mole. Then in 100 ml how many moles? Then just to multiply you will get 0.05. Correct? 1000 ml contains 0.5. Then 100 ml just it will be less 0.05 mole sodium sulfate. Then again here you can see Na2SO4 means 2 ions are there, sodium ions are there. Then 0.05 into 2 means 0.1 mole sodium ion. Now it is matching with the given 4 gram NaOH, that was the 0.1 mole Na. Now in this third one it is becoming same 0.1 mole sodium. And correct option is this only. Option C is correct. Now next question I am reading. Question number 258. If 0.44 gram of colorless oxide of nitrogen, if 0.44 gram of a colorless oxide of nitrogen occupies 224 ml at 1520 mmHg and 273 degree centigrade or Celsius, then the compound is first option N2O, second option NO2, third option NO4, fourth option N2O2. Again one more time question I am reading. If 0.44 gram of a colorless oxide of nitrogen occupies 224 ml at 1520 mmHg and 273 degrees Celsius, then the compound is first option N2O, second option NO2, third option NO4, fourth option N2O2. Just to think, here important thing is that in 0.44 gram of colorless oxides of nitrogen, in that you have to just consider. That things you have to consider, that if 0.44 gram of a colorless oxide of nitrogen occupies 224 ml, volume is 224 ml at 1520 mmHg and temperature is 273 degrees Celsius. Volume, pressure and temperature is given. Then which compound is there? First option is N2O, second is NO2, third is NO4, fourth is N2O2. Think. You can solve it. Actually, this numerical was asked in medical examination, Manipal medical. Just you think. Okay. Now I am giving you hint. Here you have to apply P1 B1 upon T1. That is equal to P2 B2 upon T2. Correct? And here what you have to calculate? Then here volume you have to calculate at STP. P1, B1 and T1 is given. P1 is pressure is 1520, volume is 224, and T1 is 546. Temperature in question it is given 273. This is 273 degrees Celsius is there. Correct? Then in Kelvin how much? You have to add 273 plus T. 273 plus T, that is the Kelvin, equal to Kelvin. Then 273 plus 273. Then you will get, in Kelvin. Then temperature you will get in Kelvin, 546. 273 plus 273. 273 degree plus 273 plus T, temperature in degree centigrade. If you will add, you will get in Kelvin. Then 273 plus 273, 546. Then T1 is 546. And P2, that is a standard at STP, a standard pressure, you know, that is the 760 mm. Correct? Then pressure is 760 at standard. This is a standard pressure, and standard temperature is 273. Then actually you have to calculate a standard volume. Standard volume we will calculate. Correct? Then only then you can tell about the gas, which gas is there. Then now after putting this value and solving, B2 have to calculate. Out of 6, 5 you are knowing. 6th one you can know. Okay. By cross multiplication, V2 value will come 224 ml. 224 ml. Okay. Value has come. Then now this, after that you know why you have calculated this volume? Because you will get the molecular mass. You will get idea of a molecular mass. Then we know that 22,400 ml at STP will weigh how much? How much? Then that will weigh, that you know 22,400 ml is equal to molecular mass, molecular weight. Correct? 22,400 ml means 1 mole. 1 mole of gas. Then here that is according in the question it is given that 0.44 gram of a colorless oxide of nitrogen occupies 224 ml. 224 ml. Then now you know that this V2 value that is equal to 224 ml. Then 22,400 ml means 1 mole. Then in 224 ml means how much mole? How much mole? Then you will get 0.44 into 100, 44 gram. Correct? Because this you got from this 224 ml means 0.44 gram. According to the question, 224 ml means 0.44 gram. Then 22,400 ml means how much? Just 2 more zero have to put. Means 224 means 0.44. Then for 1, then for 22,400. You will get 44 gram. You will get 44 gram. Then now in the given question, whose molecular mass is 44? That you have to calculate. Then here N2O you can see. What is the N2O? Then 20 N2O. 14 into 2, 28 plus 16. Then 28 plus 16 means 28 plus 10, 38. 38 plus 6, you will get 44. Correct? 28 plus 16, then you will get 44. 28 plus 10, 38. 38 plus 6, 44. Correct? Then it is matching. And now second NO2. NO2 is more. NO2 means 32 plus 14. 32 plus 14. Then it will not come 44. Correct? NO2, NO4 also. NO4 is there. It is also more. It is also not possible. It can't be the answer. N2O2 also, it can't be the answer because 28 plus 32. Hence first option N2O, that is the only correct. Okay. Hence molecular mass of the gas is equal to 44. Hence gas is N2O, nitrous oxide, also called laughing gas. You might be knowing. Correct? Hence correct option is first option N2O. This question was asked in Manipal Medical. Now next question I am telling you. Actually this question what I discussed, directly you can solve it without using also. If you want you can use the formula, otherwise by common sense also you can use. Okay, the 0.44 gram is giving 224 ml or 224 ml you are getting from 0.44 gram. Then for 1 ml and then for 22,400 ml. That is the molecular mass you got. That molecular mass of the gas is 44. And now just you should compare. Without using a P1, B1, T1, that also you can solve it. Okay, because by that way we will get only volume 224. Here already is given. Now next question I am reading 259. Question number 259. If oxygen is present in 1 liter flask at pressure of 7.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 mmHg, then the number of oxygen molecule in the flask at 0 degree centigrade will be. First option 27 into 10 to the power 10. Second option 0.27 into 10 to the power 10. Third option 0.27 into 10 to the power 19. Fourth option 2.7 into 10 to the power 10. Again one more time I am reading the question. If oxygen is present in 1 liter flask at pressure of 7.6 into 10 to the power minus 10 mmHg, then the number of oxygen molecules in the flask at 0 degree centigrade will be, first option 27 into 10 to the power 10, second option 0.27 into 10 to the power 10, third option 0.027 into 10 to the power 19, not 19, 10. Okay. Third option is 0.27 into 10 to the power 10. Fourth option 2.7 into 10 to the power 10. All are in 10 only. Just to think, you can solve it. This question was also asked in Manipal. Just to solve it. Think. I think you can solve it. Here you have to use, now I am giving you a hint, here you have to apply PV is equal to nRT and you have to find out N, because P is given, V is given, T is also given. PV is equal to nRT, P is given, V is given, R value is fixed, T is given, N you can calculate, correct, number of molecules. Then N is equal to, PV is equal to nRT, then N is equal to PV upon RT. Then P pressure is 7.6 into 10 to the power minus 10. It is actually this you have to convert in atmospheric pressure by dividing by 760. By dividing by 760, you have to convert in atmospheric pressure, correct? After that, volume is 1 liter. Flask volume is 1 liter. Then P and V value have written. P you converted in ATM, atmospheric pressure, by dividing 760. Now P and V value have written divided by RT. Then R value is fixed in atmospheric pressure, liter atm per Kelvin, 8.314. 8.314. R value also you keep in mind always. It is very useful in term of liter atm per Kelvin per mole. Okay, R value for 1 mole in liter atm per Kelvin, its value is 8.314, and temperature is 0 degree, means 273 plus T, that you can convert in Kelvin. Then 273 plus 0, that is the 273 K. Then N value will get, after solving, you will get 4.405 into 10 to the power minus 16. Okay, this is the number of N value got. Then that is a mole. Now N means here mole. Number of mole you got 4.405 into 10 to the power minus 16 mole. 16. 10 to the power minus 16 mole. Okay. Then now what will be the number of molecules? Just to multiply by Avogadro number, because 1 mole is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Then just simply you multiply. Then you will get number of molecule. Now you got N value. Then that N value multiply by Avogadro number. Then you will get 2.7 into 10 to the power 8. 10 to the power 8. Then now just to see what value is given. Now here just you you will see, you just check it which is matching. Answer what you calculated now, it's answer now you have calculated, that is a 2.7 into 10 to the power 8. 2.7 into 10 to the power 8, where it is matching. Option is not there, it is in indirect way. Then just to see, it is a 8. It is given in 10 to the power 8. Then now just to match it, what you will get, it will match with option C, 0.027 into 10 to the power 10. You calculated in 10 to the power 8, but now you converted into 10. Okay, means you have multiplied by 100. Then now it is matching with third option, 0.027. Correct? This question, very good question, because you got 2.7 10 to the power 8, 2.7. Then now just to multiply by 100, then it will become 2.7 into 100. Then what will happen? 1 0 will come in the front. 2.7 into 100. Then what 100 means, you can write 100 by 100, like that way you can write. Then you can write these things, 10 to the power 8 will become 10 to the power 10 and divided by 100, 2.7 divided by 100. Then 0.027 you can write. Hence correct option is third option, 0.027 into 10 to the power 10. Okay, in indirect way you got answer. It is not matching directly with what you calculated. Okay, but after this, that value, if you write in this term, third term, then it is matching, 0.027. This question was asked in Manipal. I told you all questions what I am discussing is a little tough, not easy. And these are the fit questions for IIT Advance and A.I.M.S. Okay, in A.I.M.S, IIT, this question is generally, it will be asked. Okay, sometimes main also can be asked, because some in all examination some tough question they will give. Okay, just to consume the more time. Now if you are knowing subject matter very clearly, then you can solve it easily. Now one more question I want to discuss. Question number 260. Which has maximum molecules? First, 7 gram N2. Second, 2 gram H2. Third, 16 gram NO2. Fourth, 16 gram O2. Again, one more time I am reading the question. Which has maximum molecules? First, 7 gram N2. Second, 2 gram H2. Third, 16 gram NO2. And fourth, 16 gram O2, oxygen gas. It is easy. Easy means it will tie. All you have to solve it. Simply you can't tell. One by one, just you think. Only then you can solve it. Okay. Just to think it one by one. Its correct answer will be 2 gram H2. How? Just to think. See, 7 gram N2. 7 gram N2. Then N2 means what? 14 into 2. 28 gram. 28 gram means Avogadro number, 1 mole. 28 gram means 1 mole. 1 mole means Avogadro number. Then here is a 7 gram means 1/4. 1/4. Correct? Then 7 gram into means, if you convert into the mole, then 7 by 28. 1/4 means 1/4 of Avogadro number. Or you can tell 0.25 mole. You compare in term of mole only. 0.25 mole. Now 2 gram H2 means, 2 gram H2 means what? H2. Its molecular mass is 2 only. Then 2 gram means 1 mole. 2 gram means 1 mole. And 16 gram NO2 means, 16 gram NO2 means 16 divided by this molecular mass of NO2. How much? 16 plus 14. 16 NO2 na 32 plus 14. 32 plus 14. It is 46. Then 16 divided by 46. That is the number of moles of NO2. NO2. Correct? 16 divided by 46. It is becoming very less. Correct? 16 divided by 46. Very less. And fourth, 16 gram O2 means 16 divided by 32. Half mole. Then first option was 0.25 mole. Second option is 1 mole. Third option is very less. Okay. And fourth option is half mole. Half mole. Then out of this, this hydrogen is 1 mole. Then 1 mole means molecule will be more, just like Avogadro number. Avogadro number. Then 2 gram hydrogen means 1 mole. 1 mole is Avogadro number. Other you have seen. First one is 0.25. Second is 1 mole. Third one is 16 by 46. Again, very less. If you will calculate, it become very less. And this is a 0.5. Then maximum molecule is in this in 2 gram H2. That's why option B is correct. Option B is correct. This question was asked in CBSE medical. Okay, CBSE medical. Now I am stopping only here. Next class again I will continue. Thank you.